Good morning, everybody. Porch Light here. I figure I'll go ahead and give you a sneak peek of the blue table. I'm going to refer to this area as the blue table area. Now, we've had freezes the last couple nights. When I tell you the greenhouse did its thing, okay? Now, the only thing I got to worry about is getting these plants out of here before it turns to be like 80, 90 degrees in that greenhouse, which is fairly early. Now, I did break down, y'all. I did get some pepper plants. So I don't want to come over here faking the funk, act like I'm not getting starts. So no start 2024 is officially over. They were such a good deal, had to grab them. I honestly think I got my money's worth because usually you get a six tray pack. That's about $5-6. It was $6, but usually they are not this big, y'all. Look at that. And as you know, they're doing $5 a plant, and they're about this size. So I felt like I was getting my money's worth on that. Now my hands are smelling like fish emulsion because I'm seeing some yellow in these plants. So this is what's going on, but I gotta say, y'all, I've never grew lettuce like this in my life. So the garden's coming along. This is real quick, short thing, but two things to keep in mind. Feed your plants, y'all. That's just as important as your soil or you getting starts or you growing from seed. Second thing is check the temperature of your stuff, y'all, because I'm kind of upset that my potato plants all around the yard is dying because of that freeze. I'll probably do the next video on that. But either way, Porch Lights out. Have a good day. Take care of your plants, y'all.